Hi there, this is Shobha Day. So delighted to be participating in something as charming as this Ask the Author. I believe there were a lot of questions, and now we have got three, which I am going to be responding to. The first one comes from Subbalakshmi Modak, and it's a very pretty compliment indeed. Says Subbalakshmi, the grace and the confidence, which is such an interesting part of your personality, is that a result of a life well lived? Or were you naturally born with it? Well, to answer you very honestly, Subbalakshmi, I had neither grace nor personality nor very much else till I was much, much, much older. I think you acquire a certain poise as you mature and evolve, and you find yourself as a human being, as a person, as a professional, as a mother, as a wife, as a daughter. And all of it comes together perhaps much later than when you start off as a very gauche and a very awkward teenager. I was more a tomboy and had no sense of really of style or dressing up or any of it. I was more interested in proving myself on the athletics field, and was always getting my knees scraped and that sort of thing. I really didn't care about how I looked or what my hair looked like or any of it. That came later, and thank God it did, because I quite like the person I have become. And if you think I have grace and confidence and a good personality, thank you very much. Confidence, I think, always but always comes with hard work, and with hard work, if you're fortunate and become successful, then confidence comes kind of as a package deal. So thank you so much for your wonderful question. The other question is from Bhagya. In the true sense, what does every woman want? Wow. Now, that is a tough question. There are many books that have been written on it by people far more competent to answer that question than I am. What Women Really Want was a huge bestseller when I was a young woman. I read it and I still don't have the answer to that. But looking back on my own life, I would say that what really women want is a sense of emotional security. And to me, that is almost always linked with kindness and compassion and a true appreciation of life. And the people who you share your life with should be sensitive to as much to you as they would like them to be sensitive to themselves. So what do women really want in a word, in a capsule? I think it would really, to me, it boils down to a sense of emotional well-being, a sense of emotional security. And there is the question from Nishtha Sikka. What would you say is your interesting writing quirk? I don't know. I think every writer somehow comes across as someone quirky, because we all form a certain pattern when we write. Over time, those patterns become exaggerated. And in my case, I like to first visualize my characters. And even before I do that, when I'm writing a novel, I like to think of the title, and those characters have to come and visit me. I mean that literally. They have to come and tell me, please write about us. And then they become alive for me. They become people whose stories I want to share. They acquire a personality and they start to live with me. And often I wake up in the middle of the night and I'm wondering which character am I going to be meeting first thing tomorrow morning. So in terms of quirkiness, it would be that. And I do have a weakness for starting all my books with the letter S. So I guess you could call that an eccentricity, a quirk, or superstition, whatever. I hope I've answered your question. I loved participating in Ask the Author, and good luck with the other authors, and what a lovely initiative. Bye, all of you.